Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to disable TikTok messages. So to start, open TikTok app and go to your profile at the bottom right corner. Tap the three lines in the top right corner, then select settings and privacy. Next, scroll down and go to interactions. Now under interactions, look for direct messages, then select it. Then from here, select permission settings. So here under who can send you messages, so tap on potential connections and set it to don't receive. Tap on update settings, then go back and open others on TikTok and tap on don't receive. So you'll not receive message requests from others on TikTok in your message requests unless you choose to enable them. And that's it. So no one can send you new messages anymore. If you still see old chats, don't worry, those are just existing conversations. So you can delete them anytime from your inbox. So go back and go to inbox and look for those old chats and delete them. So for extra privacy, you can also switch your account to private. So go to your profile, then go to the three lines at the top right, then go to settings and privacy, then scroll down and go to visibility and tap on private account and toggle private account on. So toggle it on just like so, and that's it.